Do you want to learn how to download AI models from Hugging Face locally to your PC? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So for this purpose, we are going to be using this tool called msty.app. This is Msty.app. You can download it from here. Click on this button. It's going to give you a drop down. Choose from any of these: Windows, Mac, Linux. Once the application is downloaded to your computer, you will see something like this with two options to either install local AI models or remote AI models. Skip that option, and on the left, on the bottom left, you'll find this local AI models. Click on this, and then you can install any of these local AI models by clicking on this download button. Currently, I have Llama 3.2 installed locally on my computer, which takes in 2 GB of my disk space. You can click on this browse and download online models. And now here in Model Hub, click on this. It's going to give you a drop down. Select Hugging Face. Now you can search Hugging Face models to download them locally to your computer. I'm going to select Gamma, and it's going to search the models in Hugging Face. Now here, let's say for example, I want to download this. This is 9.4 GB. You can click on download or customize it. Once the AI model is downloaded to your computer, you can chat with that AI model by clicking on this chat button here. It's going to open up conversations. Inside here, on the bottom, you'll find this Llama 3.2 or equivalent, whichever AI model you have installed. Or if you have multiple AI models installed, you can click on this. It's going to give you a pop-up with active models and local AI models. You can switch between these AI models, and then you can start conversation with your AI model. For example, I can type in, what is the weather for today? And you can turn on the real-time data, so it's going to search the internet. So that's it. This is how you can download Hugging Face AI models on your computer locally. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.